Hello, I will be presenting a Web 2.0 tool called Seesaw. I didn't know if you could still see me when I did that, so I'll just exit out. Okay, so Web 2.0, what is it? So today's Web 2.0 technology allows read-and-write activities on the web. Many services or applications that were limited to desktop computers only in the past are now available online today. The interactive feature of Web 2.0 has brought much convenience to people regarding the way we do business in all kinds of fields. Some characteristics are presence, so it develops an active presence through an online identity. Modification allows a degree of personalization, such as creating a personal homepage avatar or links. It's also has user-generated content, so it generates content within and by the community of users rather than provided for the community by the site itself. It also encourages social participation, like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Google applications, and any other online resources. And it basically, Web 2.0 provides people a platform for communication, interaction, and collaboration through online resources and services. And one of those tools is Seesaw. This is the website. It basically tells you how it works. You can unlock creative thinking for all students on any subject, gain insight, and engage families, and provide space, voice, choice, and ownership. So the purpose of Seesaw is that students show learning, so students use built-in multi-model tools to capture what they know in Seesaw's digital portfolio. It also gains teacher insights, so teachers can see all stages of student thinking and progress, enabling them to teach better. And last, it also connects families, so families gain a window into their students' learning and engage in home-to-school connections. Some of the resources that it provides many resources for teachers, students, and families. So they have free training for teachers. They also have professional development resources for schools. They have resources for getting students started and in class or remotely. And it also has resources on how families can get engaged as well. So why Seesaw? So their mission is to create an environment where students are inspired to be their best. It's used by 10 million teachers, students, and family members every month across more than 75% of schools in the US. Their platform encourages creativity and feedback that makes students excited to learn. And it also provides remote learning solutions that are essential, especially for today. So Seesaw enables meaningful learning from anywhere for every student. Here are just a couple YouTube video links that I posted. The first one is a basic Seesaw tutorial for teachers. Second one is how to upload and create lesson plans on Seesaw. And the third one is how to use it for remote learning. And overall, you can sign up for free on Seesaw to gain all of these excellent resources that they have to offer. It is a great Web 2.0 tool for educators and students as well, and provides many more benefits listed on the website. Overall, I definitely would recommend using this as a future teacher tool if you ever need some more resources on how to get your students more engaged and how to get families more connected. And also for remote learning, they do have a lot of resources on that, which would be this third link right here, and also getting families started. But that's the end of my presentation, so thanks for watching. Bye!